So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Google Chrome. Now, you're going to right click on it and then click on open file location. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Google Chrome, you're going to right click on it and then click on properties. And then once this comes up, where it says target at the very end, you want to put a space and then type in -incognito. So at the very end, you want to put a space, -incognito, and then click on OK. And then continue. And then once you've done that, if you have Chrome on your desktop or on your taskbar, you want to remove it. And then you want to add in this new one that we have right here. So we're going to delete this one on desktop. We're going to unpin this from our taskbar. Now we're going to be moving this Chrome onto our desktop and to our taskbar. So we're going to right click on it and then click on show more options and then create shortcut and then click on yes. It's now going to be on our desktop. If we double click on it, it will take us to Incognito. Now for our taskbar, you want to right click on it, show more options, and then pin to taskbar. And yeah, that's how you do it.